let's learn some congregational music. Sounds like this. All right. Simply, what I'm doing, we're in the key of C sharp, and I'm just playing this little quartet drive, you know? So before we get into any changes, like this video today is strictly about just locking in that groove, and don't try to do anything crazy like solo or like play the coolest riff you just learned. Like literally lock this in, lock this riff in. I'm going to play it slow for you. I'm not going to have tabs because really I want you to really get your ear going. You know, you could slow this video down, but I really want you to try to get your ear happening because that's going to help you so much more further down the line. So it looks and sounds like this. Once you get it under your fingers, you could start adding a little color, little variation, but just know that you're like the bedrock. You're like the drummer. Like, just don't deviate too much, you know? Play it along with me. Just play along with it. I'll slow it down for you in a sec. Just be happy playing this. This is home base. Don't go nowhere. Okay, and then I did this little thing, walking from the 3 to the 5, 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, and then playing this like A flat with a sharp 5, and then like literally everything else is cake. Once you got that little riff down, that little quartet drive, that's like, and the bass player be. It's like, that's what the bass player is doing. So you're just locking in the part. You're just grooving. Like, so like going from 1 to 5, 1 to 5. If they go from 1 to 4, you could do something like this. Literally, I'm just thinking like, I'm thinking triads, you know, I'm big on triads. I'm thinking like C sharp triad to F sharp triad, right? So I'm approaching the 3. Approaching the 3 on that F sharp, you know? So the chord is, you know, the 1 chord to the 4. You can start speeding it up, but that's kind of like where the pocket is. You just jam out, you know, you just sit there. Like, don't do too much. That's the thing. I think a lot of people feel like, oh man, it's like I got to do something, or I'm not like being musical, or, you know, like just know that when the choir's singing, vocalist is singing, the whole band's kicking, like you have your role to fill, right? And you want to do your role. You know, it's like if the drummer was just like going crazy the whole time, like taking a solo the whole time, like that would be bad. If he or she's just going boom, chick, the coo, chick, coo, chick, you know, just laying it down 2 and 4. I'm telling you, fills are for thrills, but pocket pays the bills. You know, if you're just playing that pocket, you just watch how many people say, wow, that sounds amazing. If you're trying to do all the, you know, doing all, you know, like the fills, you know, like, just pump the brakes on that stuff. There's a time and place for that, you know, maybe at the end of the song, you know, when they're going, you know, the whole band. You can do all that like craziness, but just know that when it's your time and you're laying down that Quartet groove for the Congregational song, just be happy here. Thank you so much for tuning into Soulful Guitar Lessons. I will see you very soon.